So I'm not sure if it was working on Facebook. So I'm gonna do it here, just because I'm very amazed with myself right now. Oh, you getting mean? Hmm? Are you getting mean? But I want everyone to see this. Now I want you all to see which one this is. This is Charlie. Okay? This is Charlie. This bird was so bad. And now I've gotten good. And I can pet him and everything. I don't know if he's good with other people yet, but this is a shout out to my sister Sophia, my friend Allie, my friend Gracie, and anyone who knew about him or knew him or anything. Oh, and to Gigi too. You see what I did with this one? He's being good now. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Yes. Yeah.